1,000 subscribers. Forgive me, I'm so excited. I know some people will be like, it's just 1,000. Why is she being all dramatic? 1,000 just. If you know what I saw with my eyes on YouTube, you know I need to dance. I need to baby. Anyway, thank you very much, guys. Thank you. I'm so grateful. I appreciate this and I do not take it for granted. Thank you so much for making me see that 1,000 is achievable, because when I used to see 1,000, those days when I used to see 1,000 subscribers, I'd be like, wow. How many years did it take these people to get 1,000? But this is me. Oh my god, I feel like I bought the latest car. Do you know that feeling? Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, and thank you. I really appreciate it. God really did a thing for me last year, and I am so grateful for it. Entering into YouTube, like, this is my third trial. Entering YouTube, I was afraid. I was like, God, I don't have everything I need. I don't have the right equipment. I just had one ring light, like one small ring light. I've had that ring light since 2022, and I will not say that ring light has been through hell. It has been with me. I wanted everything to be perfect, but here am I. Still not perfect. But I'm happy, guys. A win is a win, whether big or small. Every win is a win. I'm glad I didn't give up, because I was on the verge of giving up after so many trials, brainstorming, sitting down to write your scripts, filming, editing and uploading, and you're seeing 50 views, 100 views. Even if you are as hard as a nutcracker, you will just break down, because it is really discouraging. That number is discouraging, but I thank God. I don't know how it happened. I really don't know, guys, how it happened, but I am grateful. And considering that the type of content I wanted to be putting out on my channel, that niche is already saturated with a lot of great people, I was afraid. Thank God for being me and being me. What did I do to get 1,000 subscribers? Well, this is not like those many tutorial videos where they will tell you, do this, do that, do this, do that. No, this is my own personal experience, and that is what I'm going to be sharing with you today. And number one, I would say the first thing before every other thing is believing in yourself. Believe that this thing is achievable, because nobody will motivate you more than you. And I'll tell you this for free. Then number two, consistency. That's why I was having issues at first. I was not really consistent, but I just tried to figure it out. There are some days you want to film like 5 videos at a time. No. Something they used to say to me when I was much younger. They say, a woman that is selling groundnuts, if she's consistent, you will never meet her on that same level anymore. Trying to film, telling yourself, I'm going to film, I'm going to upload, and make sure I upload, because you don't know which video will make you go viral. This particular short I made that made me start to get subscribers, that short was actually a video, but I was afraid of posting that video. Then I just decided to just post a short, and I was like, hi Favour, why didn't you post the video? It has happened. But I'm glad I actually did post the short, and I used that my small ring light. That was what I used for that particular video. Like, for me, I stay with my family, so there are times I have to beg, please, I want to film, please, I want to film, just give me a space. But that's just how that is. You just have to do it. I can post like 2 to 3 times a week. That's what I was doing, trying so hard to post. Then, like, I have many videos, but I was trying so hard to post. Those YouTube tutorials, they say turn on these settings, turn on that settings. I watch tutorials, how will you be turning on settings when you don't have content? Like how? What if you can post 5 videos? It's according to your strength. Your strength can carry you. You have all the time. Fine. For me, I am partly a fashion designer, so I don't always have that time. The time I have, I try to be here. And another thing too is posting at the right time. You know, YouTube have this time frame where they give to you where your viewers are mostly online. Like I have mine, and I try so hard to post at that time. It does not mean if you post any other time aside that your video won't do well or it will affect the result, the turnout of the video. No, but you know, it's based on the algorithm, and they are telling you post at this time. So post consistently, because you don't know this algorithm, you don't know how it functions. I don't know about all those videos I watch. Oh, we've cracked the code, we've not cracked the code. I don't know how the algorithm works, but what I just know is I'm just going to be putting out content. That is it. Each week, let me just give you a hack. Each week I prepare my title for my videos, and then the next week I'm working on the title, trying to write the script for that title. Then the next week, if I finish writing the script and I read and all of that, everything is okay, I now film that same week. Then choose another day to edit, and if I can finish editing on time, I'll upload on time, fine. But if I cannot, I upload another day. So that is just how I do. But I just tell myself maximum 2 to 3 times a week. Another thing that helped me is authenticity. Being authentic, because that was one of my major fears when I started YouTube. I was like, wow, like I said, that this skincare niche is saturated, and I don't want, viewers. We have the people that are always saying, no mind this skincare people, then too lie, then sabi lie. They will always be there, because if they're not there, who will? Obviously they will be there. But I still wanted to be authentic, I still wanted to do me, because I love skincare. I have been through it. I've had hormonal issues, I've had everything that came with it. Body acne, hyperpigmentation, melasma. When you are trying all the products, it's not working. You now switch to taking supplements. Like, it's not even your normal supplements again. Let's not go there. So I just wanted my channel to be like coming to share my own experience, my own personal experience. Even if some people will feel that you are lying, it's just to go viral. No, I'm just here to just share my own personal experiences. And that is another thing too. You have to love what you are doing. Don't do something that is looking like they are forcing you to do it. It's not my thing, it's not my style. Do something that you love to do. That way, no matter what, you will try to show up. No matter what, you will try to show up, you will try to put content because you love it. And another thing also is not doing content that is not around your niche. I'm doing skincare now. I can decide to do makeup, I can decide to do hairstyling, around my niche. So don't do stuff that are not around your niche. I can't wake up today and say, I'm going for one show like that, let me go on. People will watch you, but you are giving YouTube a wrong signal, and take it or leave it, is going to have a negative impact on your channel. Because when you want to do that thing your channel is known for, you won't see people again. Like me being a fashion designer, when I'm looking for tutorials, like for outfits I want to make, I don't want to go to any channel that I'm seeing you, only you are cooking, only you are doing souvenir, only you are doing DIY, only you are doing I don't, at most 2 to 3 things. Anything aside that, I will not take. I go tire. So that's just it. You don't want to do anything that's not around what your channel is known for. Believe it or not, YouTube is one fearful place. YouTube is one fearful place. Forget the tons of video where they're telling you, oh, you can, we've cracked the code of YouTube. YouTube is not easy. Those people are not living with you in your house. YouTube is not easy. It's not easy. I'm telling you, it's going to take a toll on your brain, on your mind. Like I said, especially when you put a lot of time filming a video and then you are seeing 50 views, 100 views. It will really take a toll on you, but The only person that will help you through this thing is God, especially when you know you really want to do this thing. You're not doing it because of anything, but because you love doing it. The only person that will help you is God. So God helped me in this channel, because I would have totally written off YouTube. I would have written it off. God helped me. And the place I stay, the network is not all that great. So like I said, a lot of limiting factors. God helped me. And God will help you when He is seeing you that this thing, you want to do it. Let nothing limit you, especially if you want to do this thing. I am so grateful again. Thank you for helping me, because that 1,000 will not be possible without you all. I am so grateful. I am so grateful. I'm filming at night. It's night here already. Out of gratitude, because I just had to do this video. Thank you so much. I know it's not easy, but we are going to win at last. We are going to win at last. Keep being real. Don't do copy and paste. Do something that is, your style. That way you enjoy it. Me, I can't be doing what I'm not enjoying. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, and not to waste your time. That's just the reason I wanted to make this video. Thank you very, very much. Till I see you next time.